Warning, an outbreak of Louisiana hot sauce LHS deficiency has erupted statewide. Use caution.
Let me know if you need anything, okay?
Oh my goodness!
Ma'am.
What is this?
Is everything okay?
What is this?
Your chicken
This
wings
is
and
so
french fries.
bland. There's no taste whatsoever.
Well, ma'am,
It's horrible. I waited
do
this
you want
long.
me to
It
go
tastes
get you
horrible.
some-
What is
all right,
this?
all right, ma'am.
I don't understand.
Actually,
I
let me
waited.
ask
I
the
paid
manager.
for this.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Baby, are you okay? Is it happening again?
Yes! I feel like I need some spicy flavor in my life. I feel like everything's going bland all over again. Doctor, I don't know what happened. Everything I ate has no taste. Can you help me? I can't live like this anymore.
Mike's case clearly shows classic symptoms of Louisiana hot sauce deficiency, more commonly known as LHS. If you find yourself thinking that everything you're eating is bland, tasteless, and lacking spice, then the outbreak may have spread to you. The only guaranteed cure is a daily dose of Louisiana hot sauce. This remedy is full of flavor and adds color to every meal. 12 out of 10 people agree Louisiana hot sauce is the only antidote to combat this sickness.
When I first came in, I had no hope. But now with this new treatment, I'm finally getting some of my taste back.
Now don't get too crazy with this prescription. One drop does it.
Dr. Lee 401. Dr. Lee 401.
Next.
You have been exposed.